Okay, so in this video I want to talk about another, well, not another file manager, it's a file editor. So I was talking about a file manager which was very cool. You can watch that video up here. It's called Yazi. So it's a file manager, and you can, it's a terminal based file manager. So everything is done in the terminal, but it's very nice. And you can manage your files and even preview them. But this one is, I've recently discovered this one. It's called Fresh. So it is pretty fresh. I think it was created, it was released in the beginning of this year, 2025. So yeah, it's pretty fresh. It's a terminal based file editor, text editor, like Nano and all the others, but it's much better. So obviously Nano is pretty basic, and Vim and all that, but Fresh looks promising. It looks promising indeed. So let's open it. I don't have a shortcut for it yet, so I'm just gonna run it through the terminal. Okay, let's just install it quickly, or not install, but show you the command to install it. Yo, why is my PC taking such a dip now? What's happening? Right, so let's just paste that. So yay, so you can say, I think it's on the normal repository, sudo pacman, but I just use yay, so it's yay-s fresh editor dash bin, and pretty much install that. So I'm just gonna run it fresh so we can check it out, and there it is, your editor. Damn, what is with this PC now? Anyway, let's close all my previous files here. So it puts all the files that you open, puts it nicely in tabs, which is pretty cool. Let me just discard that. Okay, so what it makes this text editor actually cool is that you can see all your folders and files in this section here for quick access. So you can just click on a folder and to open it, and open your file, and it will dump it into their own text editor. So it's not Nano this or anything, or any of the other text editors. So if I go to my config folder, it will open it. So single click. If I go to Hyper, let's just open my Hyprland config, and there it is. So I can just click on it, and it will open it into their editor, and I can actually start editing it now, which is pretty cool. So now I can quickly switch between all my configuration files, edit them, go crazy. And what is good is there's a lot of mouse support as well, so I can move the cursor to where my mouse is. Now you can set it in Nano the same way, but if you do that, you can't actually select. Say I want to select text with the mouse, then you can't do that anymore if you do this setting. So you have to choose either one. Either the cursor follow the mouse, or you choose to select text. Obviously you can still select text with the keyboard, but yeah, with this one you can do both still. Select text and move the cursor to your mouse. And the other thing that's pretty nice, it uses the normal controls for copy and paste, like Control C and V. That's it, like it should be, not Shift Control C and V. And then it's got this whole menu here at the top, like File, Edit, there's copy and paste, and then a bunch of other stuff too, for say like for programming and so on. You can do all that, but I'm not interested in that. So for me, it's basically just editing my configuration file. I can just quickly, so let's say I want to go to Kitty's configuration file. I can just click on Kitty there. Just the fact that you can see it here and see the file open here. It's great. So there's my kittyconf. I can now quickly just edit something here. Come back to my Hyprland, or you can just click on the tabs here because they open it for convenience sake. They open it here. I mean, so cool. So there's Hyper-U. So I've recently installed Hyper-U. You can check the video here, which is a complete desktop environment with everything included. It will change your background. It will take your background colors and apply it to your theme automatically. So check the video out there. Right, so yeah, so this is great. This is a text editor and you can do all of this in there. I don't think I'll use anything else ever again. This is great, but I'll still use Yazi. So it is still a toss-up between the two. I do like Yazi more. So if I open Yazi quickly, now this is a file manager. It's not a text editor. This is a text editor that you can still see folders and files. This one manages files, but you can preview files again on the right, but you can't edit them. If you want to edit them, just press enter. I press enter, it will open it with your preferred text editor. Mine is still Nano, and now I can start editing here. If I want to go back, I just press Ctrl X. So this kind of works better for me because I have a lot of things I did with Nano that I don't want to apply now to Fresh. I don't even want to know how much work that will be. But I think you can integrate Fresh into Yazi. So with Yazi, you can choose what text editor you want to use. So obviously, this is a text editor. You can just tell Yazi, okay, I want to use Fresh, and it will open whatever file with Fresh, and it will look like this. So yeah, there you go. You got two great programs, great file manager, and a great text editor right there in your terminal. Right, so I haven't really done a lot of things in Fresh, but as you can see, it's already got high marks for me. Other great thing is you can actually select, and it selects the whole word. You don't have to drag your mouse. You can drag it, but it selects the word, and yeah, that's pretty good, and copy it. So yeah, I don't know, this is two excellent programs that I think I will definitely keep using. So yeah, this was just a quick video. So tell me, what editors do you use, and would you use these ones? So text editor Fresh, and a file manager Yazi. I mean, wow, great programs. So yeah, that's it. Good.